Bakit isa lang? Ay, dalawa lang assist ko. Tatlo yung namatay ah.
No contest daw yung isa. No contest.
But me, I don't want anybody calling the shots. I'm always on the right trail. Time to kill something? Yeah.
Ipage mid, nice.
Uh-huh. Shut it. Sure. Yep. Hey, you want to see something really cool? Now you tell me. You earned it.
Oh, tangina nyo, ano?
Trails?
Mamaya mo ako gangsterin, Centaur. Ngayon ako ang gangster.
Walang third dyan, di ba?
Oh, mamaya mo ako gangsterin, tangina ka. Ngayon, ra-right clickan kita. Ba. Tangina mo.
What's over
Ano?
here?
Di ka nakalapit na. May boots ako.
No worries.
Hmm. Hmm.
Here. Who we fighting? Guess what comes in?
Mamaya ka na mag-Dota.
I'm under attack.
Ay, ba.
No reason to get aggro. Come again?
Tingin ko muna yung tranquil boots
Oo,
ko.
talaga sa Crips yan.
Like genius. Always a step ahead.
Wala ko dyan,
Time
sa
to
pool
kill
ako.
something?
Ang hirap ng ano, double range. Puto talaga sa range yan.
Comfy. You couldn't stop me.
Gago ko yung ano mo, ibon.
It's how I live.
Parang tanga kasi dito, dyan dumadaan sa jungle yung hayop na yan eh.
Listen.
Hindi ko alam bakit sa jungle dumadaan lagi yung hayop na courier na yan.
I-right click mo na lang sa
Drop
tore.
your gold and
Shortcut
run
daw
it.
yun. Oy, meron na ba siya?
Probably the right way.
Uy, wala pa din.
Pornata. Double
Wala
headshot
pa
lang
din,
yan.
Sir Chip.
Just follow my trail.
Masarap ang right clickan natin. Aray.
Hey, you ever been shot?
Wala silang stick dalawa. Gagon, sarap mag-spam.
Oh, so.
Hindi rin ako nag-stick eh. Bili ako stick.
One in the group. Throw down your gold.
Puta, ragis yan. Ayun na, tatlong range. Hayop. Sarap mag-rapings niyan.
Leave it. Did you see a punch move? Now to kill some bird.
Ginagawa na itong mga to.
That's a takeaway.
Tangatangahan.
Ubus ko yung ano. Nilalamanan niya yung stick ko.
Di ka na nga din mag-spam.
No worries.
Tranquil boots ako eh. Nag-pull ako.
That's the one.
Kaya ano pagkatalo tayo dito.
Hey, did you hear?
Hindi pa binablock yung ano. Camp.
It's all on the way.
All stack ka, Paul, ha?
No, this way.
Gago, meron na siyang third.
Was a headland.
Makati City na siya.
Let 'em hide me. Uh-huh.
Uy,
I'll lead the way.
uy.
Incoming.
Sige nga, center, kung makunat ka na.
Double bracer na siya.
Testing ko nga, kung makunat na. Kunat na ba, center?
Time to kill.
Makunat
Hindi
na
niya
ba,
alam
center?
gagawin niya.
Makunat na ba?
Hindi niya alam gagawin niya.
Ah!
Thank you. Tara nga, patay natin.
Gagawa ulit. Hinintay ko cooldown stamp eh.
Ay, ay, ay. Wala akong stun eh.
Wala din ako mana.
Yan, patay sa akin yan.
Magkakamana ako. Meron na. Takina mo.
Middle is missing. Always was middle is missing. What? This way?
Kakapanood kasi kay Seb yun eh, kaya nagagaganyan kayo.
Ano ba yung...
Kakapanood yun sa stream ni Seb.
Ano ba yung sabi ni Seb? Kasi meron siya sa center. Ha?
Oo, lagi nagko-coach ng mga center player yun eh. Kaya Magnus.
You see. Sumail. Sabi. Yung kay
You
Magnus.
see him, his stick is very important in laning, sabi.
Sabi. And then suddenly he went up. Ilang yun.
In blood trails?
Wala ka naman mana.
Ripper.
Tara, level 3 stang oh.
Yeah. Ever seen someone bleed out? No. Hang on.
Oy, Talbugan Nation! Ay, puto na may...
Don't let him hide me. No.
Tong, ino mo. Ako.
I'm keen.
Napanood ko rin ganyan ah. Ganyan na ganyan tayo kanina. Pero panalo yung ano pala natin kasama. Iba pala yung kwento ngayon.
I'm keen. Yes. This will suss out any sneaky little scumbags. This place is boring
One in the
anyway.
groove.
Ako na lang to.
PM.
Just follow my tail.
Taragis yan. Yun.
Middle
Have a
is
squiz.
missing.
Time to kill something?
Ay, gago yun.
Uy, gago, dinudge.
Nag-uncle breaker. Ang galing yun oh.
Middle is
I'll
missing.
lead the way.
Ang galing niya. Nakalculate niya.
Level breaker sa'yo, no?
May puno daw eh.
Sir Lumain.
Okay. Dahil maganda ang bigayan. Kung Midas yata ulit to. Idol.
Go this way.
I'm under attack.
So, patay natin yan eh. May mana ka ba? Tara.
Combo naman ako.
Tara, patay natin sa torre. Tara, Paul.
Just follow my trail.
Yun na.
Opposite. Get a bit caught up. I'll make you.
Wala kang ginawa na si F. Pinatalbog mo pa yung acorn.
I'm always on the trail.
Acorn. Slim Shady.
Godly scrawl.
Gago ka, mamatay ba ako dyan?
Not far,
Hindi.
is it?
May promo.
Choice.
Raida sa ata to, idol.
Do I look tired? No worries.
Sabi.
Tara, isa pa.
Pause a peddling.
Ayun na, sinimulan.
What's the plan here?
Sa pang ulti, pumatay ka ng creeps. Ito pa rin. Ayun ang creeps.
Uy, gago.
May humuhok.
Kishi kishi meow meow. Kishi kishi meow meow.
It's all on the way.
Gago, wala kwenta yung support niya. Walang words,
Anyone know
walang
where
ano.
we're going?
Uy,
Oh my god. Warded. Warded.
doon. Sa unahan? Sa kanila?
Dito ata. Yung CM kanina naglagay.
You couldn't stop me.
Ang inang
Oo,
word
knock
yun.
niya ako eh.
Kung
Hindi
mahirap
ako
yung
nag-
word
Hindi naman
mo.
ako nagpakita sa ano eh.
You smell something?
Baka nandito sa unahan.
May sentry ako. Yun naman na
Always
program.
disappeared.
Diyan yung pod siya.
Wicked.
Wala naman siyang vision.
Nag-stack ka, Paul? Triangle?
What? This way?
Okay, kunin ko yun.
Middle is missing.
Nah, yeah.
Gago, wala na
Bata
si
yun eh.
Fudge.
4.
It's
It's how I live.
Para sakto pang ano ko, dagger.
Wala, fake news ka. Reported. Re-reimburse yun.
Wala ba?
Sentry. Wala oh.
The
Galing
sooner
naman
we're
pala
out of
mga.
here, the better. Sure.
Oh, dito din wala sa kabila.
Eh, gago, kunin ko yan.
Yeah, I see
Tara,
it.
tara, tara. Ay, si Is! Nandiyan si Is!
Uh-huh.
Kyop, come, kyop.
Leave it.
Pare, OP.
How about a shortcut? Yep.
Gago, hindi nag-ano yung punch kahit hook man lang.
Any blood trails? That's the one. Probably the right way.
So, stuck
Sa
pa isa.
patang stack yun, Paul, yung ano? Yung triangle.
Yun no, stuck.
Looking.
Sobrang bait ng kalaban natin ngayon. Tinulungan ka din mag, ano,
I'm keen.
farm.
Yeah. Who we fighting? Like I haven't seen that before.
The enemy's top tower brought to ruin.
Wanan na yata kita dyan. Wala naman akong ginagawa dyan.
Yep.
May KS na ako dito.
Did you see it?
Gago, sexy si Pudge! Uy, 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 may medu. Bakit may medu?
Yeah. Just about. It's the murder star.
Top.
That's the one. Nothing to it. Now you tell me. Not ready.
Item center, kawawa naman. Sobrang hirap.
You couldn't stop me.
May tumatawag sa akin.
Got any scrog?
I'm calling from Samsung regarding basic with Sir Head.
Time to kill something? Don't any of you ever get tired of congratulating yourselves? Ripper.
Na-stack mo na ulit, Paul?
This way.
Di pa.
Tatlo lang ulit.
Pwede mo na, tatlo na yan.
I'll lead the way. I'm always on the right trail. Leave it.
That's exact.
This way. Probably the right way. Pause a peddling.
The enemy's middle tower passes into history.
No worries.
Ako na yan. Ay, stack mo pa ulit isa, kuya.
Anyone know where we're going? Who we fighting?
Ako na mag-stack na ito. Ikaw na dyan sa malaki.
Hey, listen to this.
Look to your bottom tower.
Wicked.
Didi.
It's all on the right.
Na-stuck ba? Ba't ano, may tumawag sa akin?
Oo,
Scam.
na-stack. Ay, hindi.
Hindi na-stuck.
I'll suss it.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
I'm in the groove. You could
Your
butt on my
middle
essay.
tower is defending itself. Radiant structures are fortified.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Double stuck ba to? Eto, stuck ko.
Triangle, oh. kumukuha ng stock. Eh, patayin natin yung Poltra.
Trending time.
Gogo, patay pa siya.
Yeah. It's how I live. Hands up. I usually like the trees to myself, but I'll make an exception. Just follow my trail. I'm keen.
Kita ka.
Any
Huh.
blood trails?
Dire have fortified their structures against
I
attack.
aim to please. Yeah. Dig this way. We're going on a field trip.
I declare.
For the record, I did hit a tree. Tail. Doesn't mean I push.
The enemy's
Honestly,
bottom
this is
tower
about
has
all I
fallen.
need to get started. Always a step ahead. Crash, tell ya. Whoa! Illusion. You smell something? Just follow my tail.
Kita ka ulit.
Hey, hold this target for a sec. Sure. Yeah, I see it. Yep.
Ay, gago, di tumama. Sayang.
When's the murder start?
Kita ka muna.
Looks like this is goodbye. No. Yeah. Gotcha. Yep. It's
Stuck
good.
ulit, ilang
It's
stuck
better.
yun?
And then I'm keen.
Tatlo.
I'll suss it. Trending time. Ripper. You couldn't stop me.
Di ata na-stock yung ancient.
Time to kill something?
Tama. Tatlo lang ulit.
Sweet egg. Gosh, heaps of these. Anyone know where we're going? That's the one. No, this way.
Uy, yung nag-ward?
It's all on the way.
Medusa, patay na sa bugs eh.
My tail's a sail. Wicked. One in the groove. Prepare for pain.
Your bottom tower is under
Just
attack.
follow my trail. Watch it. You smell something? Probably the right way.
Pain without consequence.
Kawawa yun naman si Fudge.
Pause it, peddlers. A baby.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Now you take it. Uh-huh. Leave it. Gotcha. Always a step ahead.
Uy, ina, namatay pa ako dun. Gago, ba't wala ka ng buhay?
Ano sa akin?
Your middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified.
Here. Any of you creeps
Parang
got
bagal ng
something
item ng
bigger?
group, no?
Nah, yeah, it's what I do.
Ay, supers.
Sure,
Ay, dagger out! Ii, mabot nga.
I'm keen. I'm always on the right trail.
Lots of blood.
Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. Ripper. Got any scrog? Nah, yeah. Who we fighting? Push. This. My critically always stand by. Oh, can't believe it. Look at this clock. Any
Dito yung
blood
Medusa
trails?
sa taas.
Worthy tribute.
I'll lead the way. Got heaps of them. Look, I don't need to be a god here. Let's just win this thing already. What? This way? No worries. A forest from the trees.
No time to dilly-dally.
When's the murder start? I'm keen.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Yeah.
Super pa.
Always a step ahead. Now
Ako
I'm
nagay ko
the
siya.
lucky one.
Talent.
This
Just baline.
I'll lead the way. You smell something? Probably the scurry out. We can make a little fort. Wicked. That's the one.
Dire's courier has been killed.
Did you see a branch move?
Dito yung si Yamato.
Go this way.
The dire glyph is now active.
What's a warning shot? Uh-huh. Anyone know where we're going? I'm on it.
The enemy's bottom tower
I'm
is
always
gone.
on the right trail. You couldn't stop me. Leave it. Who we fighting? Time to do something? Tail, trade. Yeah. Oh yay. Oh. I'm keen. Not literally. Trempin time.
Invisibility.
Pause a peddling.
Hmm.
One in the groove. Got any scrog? Go go! Just follow my tail. Listen. Here's a happy little thing. Just adding on to permanent. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Ripper. What an egg! Did you coin? I'm keen.
May GS na oh. Tara.
It's how I live.
Butterfly siya.
Now you tell me.
Liban mo na lang.
Bottom tower is
Mapatay pa rin yan.
What? This way?
Mas yun eh. Yup.
Hindi na ako muna mag-MKB. Hindi ko naman siya papatayin eh. Yung mga support niya papatayin ko eh.
Kaya mo lahat.
No worries. My tail's a sail. Yep. Sure. Not here.
Padchuk ha?
Flat out. Yeah, I'll throw it. Yeah, I see it.
Hindi ka natatakbo? Oy, takbo ka na.
Yeah, launch it.
Yun. Nalasit ko yun.
Kishi kishi meow meow, kishi kishi meow meow meow, kishi kishi meow meow, kishi kishi meow meow meow.
Oy, back from Pudge!
the enemy's top
Bigyan natin ng
tower
isang.
has fallen.
It's all on the way. Hang on, of course. What do you reckon? Hey, you! Probably the right way. Takes a sec. One in the groove.
Patay ko dyan, naka-BM.
Go, go, go! Boss stop. Now you tell me. Don't let him hide me! Sorry,
Sorry, di mabot. I tried to save you, idol.
Uh-huh.
Una?
Tara!
See ya.
Generation.
Natin yan. Diyan ako, tumitipi ako sa ano nila, shrine.
Gago nandito sa mukha namin. Ginagawa mo. Putangin mo!
You're a beautiful person with a charming personality.
Ripper. Yeah. That's the one. It's how I live.
Etos balay! Etos balay!
It's not even
Ginagawa niyan. Ang gago, pwede pala yun. Gago ko wala kumana.
Go this way.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Tumalon ba si Kyopi? Tumalon siya, di ba?
Tumalon.
Tumalon siya sa Medusa. Gago.
Your bottom tower
I'll
is
lead the
under
way.
attack. Long has that tower stood against
we
the
fighting?
rising tide.
Here's a happy little fella. Listen. Always a step ahead.
Kailangan ko ng ano ah.
I'm always on the right trail.
Pressure.
My tail's a sail. You couldn't stop me.
Ba't walang item yung Kyop, gago? 30 minutes.
I'm keen. Here we go. Right. Give my finger got
Ay
Gago.
naman sila.
Nag-miss.
Taragis yan.
catch one.
Oh, talon siya ng talon!
Hey, you gotta be in
Tara, laban tayo.
No worries.
Ang ginagawa nito si Yun na to. Papanggap na wards.
Habol, 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 habol.
How about a shortcut? I reckon this one was worthy of at least some little respect.
Oh, basagin natin. Buko kayo ah. Hinayaan niyo umalis siya Medusa.
Yep. I'm keen. I'm under attack. When's the murder start? Chill it, Peter. Anyone know where we're going? Taylor, train.
May farm sa taas, oh, ang dami.
Yeah. Navigator's murder is always right.
Ubak, ubak, guys, ubak.
Mine. Now's when we get to the good stuff. Yep. Got any scrog? Pause a peddling. Woo!
Agonims ba ako? Refresher.
Ay, putong ina mo naman.
You ever feel really exposed?
Gusto ko lang naman mag-ward. Battle Fury ka na lang. Para suwag.
Battle Fury.
Para suwag.
Nandun pala sila lahat. Gago. Wala akong BKB.
Bottom tower is under attack.
Who doesn't love the sweet?
Radiant glyph is now ready.
Just follow my trail.
Oo, nahuli ako.
Blood trails.
Di ako magbabay-back ah. Wala akong ano dyan.
Ay, putang ina, ba't ang layo ng cast range nun?
Fighter lens. Di ako mag-buyback. Wala akong ano, GS. Wala namang ano to, gago. Wala namang ano. Di rin makaka-TP yan.
Yun na, GG na. Silence mo.
Ay, gago! Na-dodge yung ano ko. Uy, dito siya nag-ano.
Did you fall out of the nest as a baby? Did you fall out of the nest as a baby?
Gago makunat daw siya. Gago makunat nga siya.
Naka ano? Naka... Ghost Scepter? Kaya re-regen lang ako.
Gago may namatay.
Did you see Richmond?
The hunger cries again. Battered but unbroken.
Hindi ko magamit yung Midas ko. Is ba yung boss?
Now,
This four stop.
Are you really? I wonder.
we always win. Yes. Attack. You don't even have anything interesting.
Push yun ah.
Go this way.
Atin ron, no?
It's all on the way.
Dire structures are fortified.
Yeah, I see it. Push. Let's do this the easy way.
The enemy's bottom tower
Pedal
has
went
been
straight to the tail. Yep.
Gago. Nagasi mo yung mga tanga.
See my point?
Wala pa nga tayo nababasag na rocks.
By the filter Obex, I will avenge my dishonor.
I'm on it. Mind the branch. One in the group. Perseverance. Lotus orb. Got heaps of it. This way looks clear. Oh, mate.
Tenan to, nakalotos na ako. Wala pareho laging mana. Parang tanga.
That's the one.
Mag-ginso na lang ako.
Not ready.
Ewan ko maubos pa itong mana ko.
He joins small. Easy, breezy.
When's the murder start? Now I'm the dodgy one. Pause a peddling. Obsessing.
I will put you to good use.
Gago, kita ko.
Go, go, go.
Ay putang ina mo na, Daisy.
Listen. I know just the tree. What? This way?
Didi. Trouble? Roshan taas?
Stop. Piece of this.
Wala pa tayo nababasag pala. Puro tayo kalandian.
Ricky? Wicked. Just follow my tail. Anyone know where we're going? I'll lead the way. Got any scrog?
Almighty Roshan.
Another time to
Always
keep
on the
going.
trees. Sure. I've been patient enough. Any blood trails? Uh-huh. Leave it.
Kanya itulak yung baba.
Pull! I'm always on the right trail.
Gago, hindi dinideward nyo na sa base.
Who we fighting? Flat out. Crouch. Just keep
Uy,
that loose.
nag-miss.
You smell something?
Pero po,
Time to kill something?
hindi dinideward. Patay mo kaya agad.
Yeah.
Tatalunin mo ba?
Warded ata dito eh. Oh, tatalmin ko sana. Warded
I'm
lang.
king.
Sabi mo, pag tatalunin mo, ilalotos kita.
Ito na, tatalmin ko na.
Watch it. Probably the right way.
Tago, sayang yung lotos.
Dip this way. Nah, yeah. Now I'm. No
Teka lang, re-repo.
Fine.
What I do? Drop your gold and run.
The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Mechus balay pa, di ba?
Your top tower is
Follow
under
my
attack.
trail.
Gago, dikit-dikit ka dyan.
The enemy's bottom barracks.
Yeah.
Mechus balay.
Always a step ahead.
The enemy's middle tower has
Starting to
been
feel a bit
destroyed.
nutty. I love it. Rattle the dogs. Yeah. Yeah.
Is under attack.
Yes. Only the
Buyback dalawa, ingat ha.
Saan ka ba? Kala ko nasa loob ka pa.
Dragon time. Do you know where we're going? Just follow my tail. I'll get over it.
Buyback, gago. Mamatay kayo dyan. Wala akong GS oh.
You smell something?
Just follow my trail. It's a precision mission.
Gugo, may namatay.
Yan, mga kalakad.
What's hidden?
Wala ka
This
dito.
way looks clear. Goodness. Tentacles are burning up. This way.
Gago ka! Nahuli ako! Si Pat Schwartz! Tandaan! Oh, habulin nyo muna. Oh. Ay, putang ina mo! Milag na nga eh. Laboy pa, gago. Okay, boy pa, Sir Chief. Sumuko ako eh. Boy pa pala ako dun.
Caught you in your
The enemy's middle barracks from the enemy's top barracks has fallen. You
Oh, this way.
Nabangan ako magdamag.
now have mega creeps.
Yep.
They push onto the precipice of greatness. The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
No hot heaps in. Hey, how you going in there? Things the murder stat.
The
Ano ko
enemy's
na
middle
pressure ko?
tower can withstand no more.
Pakita ko lang sa ano.
It's all on the way. Tail, training, forest. Go. Tails.
Victory goes to the Radiant.
Tuma, Sir Chief. Nabawi natin yung isa. Ping pa ng ping ng item si Viper. Kabado yata. Pinipin niya yung may das ko. Gago ka ba? Easy win eh. Kabado ka pa? Kabado si Viper, no?
Ano?
Kabado. Kita mo Isben, may buo. Tapos yung Viper, panalo sa lane. Yung, ewan ko ba't bumagal mag-farm yan. Dapat malakas siya eh.
Sino?
Yung Kyop. Parang bumagal yung Kyop. May panalo yung Viper. Isben saka Viper. Panalo. Arkon lahat? Gago Arkon 4 na yan? Gago tumalon ng rank yan? Si Xi Jinping? Gago ba't
Or na nga to.
Gago ba't Arkon 4 yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Gago di ba dati hindi yan Arkon 4? Tumalon ng rank? Tumalon. Kasi
Gerald to dati.